How you guys doing today? Well, I've got 3 tables that I've got to get done. They're not very good shape. They're old, but they're complete. They're not broke, cracked. It's a solid surface type of material. Give me a minute and I'll just show them to you. Here they are. I've got, they're wet, I know. I'm cleaning them with trisodium phosphate mixed with warm water. That's some good industrial strength cleaner. And I've already started cleaning them. I let them TSP sit on there and soak for a little while, and cleans it up pretty good. Had a lot of grime on it. But yeah, the colors they want on this is there's the other 2 over there. The colors they want on them are, let me think, see if I can remember, an emerald green with, I believe, deep silver. Don't sound like it's too bad of a combination. We'll see. But all I'm going to do to them right now is just cleaning them. Then I'm going to prime them real good, because they do got some, all these are pits. All these little teeny pits. No, they don't go all the way through, as far as I can tell. But I don't want to take no chances. And I will be filming this one with a different camera. Right now, this is my phone I'm on right now. You probably can tell all the shaking. I'm sorry about that. But yeah, this is my next project. Get one moved out and the next one moves in. That's some good stuff. If you were to invest into it, it's not bad money. Oh, and I'm going to post a video, another video of, I had one of you guys ask me the other day, well, they was asking on Facebook what type of wheel I was using in a previous video I made about sanding the epoxy drips from underneath the edge. If you forget about them and they get hard on you, and you don't want to put tape on there, that doesn't always work. Care who says it does. I've tried and it doesn't always work. It's just as easy to run that pad across them one time and be done with it. And that pad, it eats it up just on the snap of a finger. Let me see if I can find it and I'll show you what I'm talking about. This pad right here. That pad eats them epoxy drips off in the blink of an eye. It's hard. I mean, you can squeeze it. It's not so solid that you can't squeeze it, and it just absolutely eats them epoxy drips up. So yeah, that's what I use for that. And my next step on these is to prime them. I'm going to do it in black. I'll probably take a heat gun and heat the surface up to make sure there's no moisture caught down in them. Matter of fact, I can do that with a torch to make sure there's no moisture caught down inside. Hold up 1 minute, I'm going to pause you 1 minute so I can get my torch ready. Yeah, a torch is just as good as a heat gun. Matter of fact, probably a little bit better. I know it's quicker. If there's any water in them cracks, crevices, there won't be in a minute. Oh, don't go out on me. I gotta get me another tip too. This one bites. See what I mean? Look at it, it's trying to go down. Yeah, there's moisture right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Definitely moisture in it. There sure is. But anyway, that's all. I just want to let you guys know what I was up to. Haven't forgotten about you or the channel. I've just been extremely busy. Yeah, so I'll get that them videos. We'll start making them probably tonight. It's a very good possibility. But and I'll get them up and posted as soon as I can. And it's not going to be long. It's not going to be long at all. I got a buddy of mine, Mike. He's going to be helping me. You'll get a chance to meet him here shortly. He's a character. He's a good guy. He's good people. He's somebody I believe I can trust. You know, I mean, and that's hard to find people you can trust these days. Sure is. Anyway, so that's what I've been working on, or I'm going to start working on. He's got the legs and all that stuff down at his house. He's got to bring them down. We're undecided if we're going to powder coat them or paint them. They're iron legs. But I just wanted to let you know what I was up to, and if you like what you see, thumbs up and subscribe. It'll help me out more than you know. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. That's fine too. As always, you guys have a good day.